Welcome to our channel. Today we how to add family sharing on Apple Music, subscription setup step by step clearly. First, make sure you have an iPhone, iPad, or Mac signed in with your Apple ID. Open Settings on iPhone or iPad, or System Settings on Mac. Tap your name at the top to access Apple ID settings. Select Family Sharing to begin the setup. Tap Set up your family, then continue to proceed. Choose that you want to share If asked, confirm that you will be the family organizer for this group. Go back to the main settings screen and open Music. Tap Subscription to view your current Apple Music plan. If you are on an individual plan, switch to the Apple Music Family Plan. Confirm the upgrade and accept the new monthly price. Make sure your payment method is active and valid for subscription billing. Return to Settings and open Family Sharing again. Tap Subscriptions and confirm Apple. If Apple Music is not enabled, turn on the sharing toggle for Apple Music. Now tap Add Member or Invite People in Family Sharing. Choose how you want to invite them, such as messages, mail, or in person. Send the invitation to each family member's Apple ID email or phone number. Ask the family member to open the invite and accept it on their device. On their iPhone or iPad, they should go to Settings and tap their name. They should open Family Sharing and confirm they joined your family group. Next, they should open the Apple Music app on their device. They should tap Listen Now, then check Account or Subscription Settings. They should see Apple Music access through your family subscription automatically. If they still see a trial or individual plan prompt, have them sign out and back into Media. To do that, go to Settings, tap your name, then tap Media and Purchases. Tap Sign Out, then sign in again with the same Apple ID used for the family invite. Finally, confirm each member can play any song without an extra payment request. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.